你看到有人发推，TEMU这价格逆天了，赔本赚吆喝吗？
TEMU's prices are insane. Are they losing money just to show off? Wait, D10? They're fighting the sky now? All right, here's the T on Ni10.
逆天原意是违逆天意，
Used to mean going against fate, like Hao Yi shooting the sun or Icarus doing his thing. Tragic, legendary, maybe both. Fast forward to now, Gen Z is obsessed with this word. Like,
这 AI 生成的播客也太逆天了吧，跟真人聊天一样啊。
this AI-generated podcast is insane. Feels like chatting with a real person.
我闺蜜1周减肥10斤，简直逆天了。
My bestie lost 10 pounds in a week. That's next level. Ever aced a test you didn't even prep for? That's so Nikin. Smash that like button if you've been there. It helps more language nerds find us. Welcome back to 时间上的中文, where we dig into the tastiest Chinese slang. So yeah, Ni10 equals next level awesome. But hey, it's not always praise. Sometimes it's just chaos.
我逆天的把泡面煮成了粥，这算创新料理吧？
I just cooked instant noodles into porridge. Innovative, right? This word exploded because it screams, break the rules, be different, do the impossible. Anything so crazy it defies logic? That's Geek 10. Kinda like Xiaohongshu, remember that one? If you liked Xiaohongshu, this one's its cosmic cousin. Tell me, what's your Ni 10 moment? And vote in the comments. Which translation slaps the hardest? God-defying, insane, next level.
别忘了点赞加订阅，逆天支持舌尖上的中文。